Creating a storyboard, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you enhance your English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that bridges the world of language and visual storytelling: how to create a storyboard. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a content creator, or just looking to bring your ideas to life, understanding the process of storyboard creation is key. So, let's get started and explore this creative process together. A storyboard is essentially a visual representation of how a story will unfold, scene by scene. It's like a comic book version of the final product, which could be a film, a video, an animation, or even a presentation. Storyboards are crucial in planning out the visual sequence of events, dialogue, and timing. They help creators and stakeholders visualize the project before actual production begins, saving both time and resources. Storyboarding is not just about drawing pictures. It's about thinking critically about your story's flow and how each scene connects to the next. It allows you to visualize the narrative structure, identify potential issues in the plot or sequence, communicate your vision effectively to your team, organize your ideas systematically. By laying out your story visually, you can ensure that your narrative has clarity, coherence, and impact. Creating a storyboard might seem daunting at first, but it can be broken down into manageable steps. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Outline your story. First, write a brief outline of your story or concept. Highlight the key events, dialogues, and transitions that need to be visualized. Step 2. Sketch the panels. Using simple sketches, draw panels to represent each scene. Don't worry about artistic quality. Focus on composition and how elements interact within the frame. Step 3. Add details. Include important details such as camera angles, transitions, and any specific actions or expressions that convey the scene's mood and message. Step 4. Insert dialogue and descriptions. Beneath each panel, write down the dialogue, sounds, and a brief description of what's happening. This will guide you or your team during production. Step 5. Review and revise. Finally, review your storyboard with fresh eyes or share it with a colleague for feedback. Be open to making changes to improve the flow and effectiveness of your story. Keep it simple. Focus on clarity and storytelling rather than detailed drawings. Use storyboard software. There are many digital tools available that can simplify the process. Think from the viewer's perspective. Ensure your storyboard is engaging and understandable from the audience's viewpoint. Be flexible. Be prepared to revise your storyboard as new ideas emerge or as feedback is received. Creating a storyboard is a powerful step in bringing your stories and ideas to life. It not only helps you visualize and plan your project but also ensures that your team is aligned with your vision. Remember, the key to a great storyboard lies in its ability to communicate your story effectively, not in the perfection of the drawings. We hope this guide inspires you to start your storyboard today. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.